This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Bethany White. Settle into your move-in ready townhome today. The many recent upgrades, including all bathrooms, makes this home perfect for entertaining. Open floor plan, wet bar, stone fireplace, crown molding, tray ceiling in dining room and spacious back deck. Association amenities, pool, clubhouse, tennis courts, and playgrounds. Centrally located to town center, Mount Trashmore Park, Naval Bases, and Interstates. For more information, review the details below.